I'm out fishing with the Insta360 camera again, testing out what I can do with the camera. I'm fishing with Affendi. I want to show you guys the fun things that you can do with a 360 camera. And the Insta360 app is pretty amazing, I have to say. You can do a lot of fun things with it. So this video is entirely edited, or what they call reframed, using the Insta360 mobile app. All the angles, the positionings, the effects, and the color, even the color retouching are done on the phone. Some of you will know that I'm new to using this 360 camera
Oh, on me. Oh.
for my fishing trips. I'm still testing it out, lots to learn. And one of the interesting things is you can capture moments that are otherwise not able to when you're using a regular camera. Such as when there was a sudden gust of strong wind and the camera that was mounted on top of a 3-meter selfie stick fell down, and the selfie stick, which is quite hefty, hit Fendi's $1,000 rod.
Actually, I was trying to.
Hopefully there's no damage on the rod. Sorry, Fendi.
Sorry. No, it's okay. Yeah, I was automatically preventing from going down some more. Ayo. Shit.